Flood the rhythm, can never stop me, no. God, look, I come riding in on. Selling now, I do less watching up. God, you run in, back when you're breaking it down from here.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Jerry Curls. It's your girl Geraldine. So today I'm going to be doing a twist out routine, and I wanted to review Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed products. So I'm going to go in with the Aunt Jackie's Quench leave-in conditioner and the Aunt Jackie's Flaxseed half and half hair silkening milk, and I'm just going to put those both into this back section of my hair. As you can see, my hair is split down the middle, and then from there I split those two into another two, so I have 4 sections. So I'm working with the back section, and I want to just go through with a wide tooth comb after applying those products I just mentioned before. Feel free to go back in the video, to see what products those were, because I know I did that kind of fast, my bad. But yeah, so you just want to comb all of that out. Then you want to section off that section into 2 and put one of the sections into a ponytail so that it's out the way. So after making sure that that one section is nice and detangled, I'm going to go in with the Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed Style and Shine Recipe Ice Curls Curling Jelly. And I'm just going to smooth that onto my hair so that it's not frizzy. And then I'm just going to start raking it in until I feel like it's a sufficient amount on that piece. So after everything's nice and smoothed onto, I guess, or it's nice and smooth, I could have just said, I am going to take another section from this section, right, if that makes sense. So we split that one section into 2, so I'm gonna take another section from this section, and I'm gonna use that to do a twist. So I am using my denim brush to brush through the whole section, because it's brushing through and getting those tangles that I couldn't get with my fingers, so that my curls are going to be popping. So once I know which section I'm going to work with, I'm just going to start twisting downward until the twist is complete. And then at the end, I add a little bit more product, a little bit more of the gel to my ends to curl around my fingers so that the twist stays in place. Now, some of y'all might get confused with the other piece of hair just kind of sitting there while you twist, and that's okay. You can move it out the way. Do what you need to do, sis. To get your curls the way you want to get them, do what you need to do. So while I am repeating that same process on the other half of that back section, as in finger detangling, brushing it, and twisting, I thought I'd take the time to actually review that grapeseed jelly. I really like the jelly. It's really lightweight. It has a pretty neutral smell. Like, it doesn't smell like much, but it also kind of smells kind of sweet because it's grapeseed. But it's really lightweight. One thing I will say, and it might have just been the weather, because I live in, like a really bipolar city, and it was raining this week. But I felt like my curls got kind of frizzy kind of fast, and I don't know if it was because it was a gel versus a cream, or if it was just the weather. So I definitely had to try this product again. doing the same thing and see how it lasts, when it's not raining outside. But as far as like curl results, super lightweight, super bouncy, and super defined. And my hair was shining. It was definitely a popping twist out. So I would definitely recommend this product 10 out of 10. All right, so we're down to our last section, and I love to come back to the last section and repeat the whole process for y'all. So I'm gonna go in with the Aunt Jackie's Quench leave-in conditioner, and then right now I'm spraying on the Aunt Jackie's half and half Silkening hair milk, and I'm just gonna put both of those into my hair, run it through, make sure I get enough to where I feel like it's actually moisturized, and then I'm just gonna detangle with a wide tooth comb. So now I'm gonna section off that one section into two, and I am going to place the front one into a ponytail so I can work with the back. I always feel like in general it's just easier to work with the back first so that you don't have to, reach around anything to get to the back after you've done the front. The back is already done, and then you can move on to the front. So just to recap, I'm just finger detangling so I get as much out, just by me myself, and then I'm gonna go in with the curling jelly, and at this point, like I've said before, for my twist outs and my braid outs, after it gets dry, I don't add more water because I need it to dry anyway, as compared to like a wash and go where you need it to be wet in order to complete the style and then you dry it. That doesn't necessarily have to be the case for a twist out or a braid out because you can do it on dry or wet hair. So I just like to do it on moisturized hair, so that's that in between where it's good enough to like work with but not bone dry. So we're just gonna start twisting down And then, like I said, we're gonna wait until the end, add a little more product. I was tired, bro. Like, you don't understand how much work this is. But anyway, you're gonna twist down to the end, add a little product, wrap your finger around the twist like that, so that the twist stays, and voila, you're done. So enjoy the rest of this video. At the end, I have videos of me taking down the curls, and then I also show you what kind of glosser / oil sheen that I use to not only take down my twists so that they're not frizzy, but to also add a little bit more shine. And just, you know, an overall, this is how it turned out. So stay tuned.